Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk about everything related to building a YouTube automation business. In today's video, we will be discussing YouTube automation, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to build a profitable online business. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of YouTube automation, let's talk about what it actually is. YouTube automation is a way of running your YouTube channel as a business owner and not as a creator. Running a faceless YouTube automation business means that you are running your channel without actually showing your face in any of these videos and without actually recording anything with the camera. Now, a lot of creators on YouTube make a lot of money from their channels. For example, Mr. Beast generates approximately $100 million a year from his YouTube channel, and Ryan from Ryan's World allegedly made hundreds of millions of dollars before even turning 10 years old. So, it's not a secret that you can build a profitable online business with YouTube, but you don't necessarily have to be recording yourself all day long. So, how do you create content without showing your face on camera? You do this by following the 5 content elements. The first content element is doing research and finding great video topics and video titles. The second element is writing the script, or outlining the video. In most cases, you would write a script on a piece of paper or a blank document. The third element is recording the voiceover for your video, which basically means reading the script into the microphone and getting audio for that video. The fourth element is visuals that will show up on the screen, like actual video editing. And the fifth element is a thumbnail for that video, that small image that you click on when you watch a video on YouTube. Some examples of YouTube automation channels are Brainy Dose and Topia. If you open up any of their videos, you will notice that the creator of the channel is not showing their face, and they didn't film these clips themselves. There's only a voiceover in the background and stock footage as visuals, yet according to Social Blade, these channels make thousands of dollars. Now, before we talk about how you can actually make money with YouTube automation, there are 2 ways that you can create content following those 5 elements that we talked about previously. The first option is to do everything yourself, from writing the script to editing the video and creating the thumbnail. The second option is to outsource the video production process to freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork, so you can focus on growing the business and making more money over your YouTube channel. So there you have it, folks. That's how YouTube automation works and how you can use it to build a profitable online business. If you have any additional questions regarding YouTube automation, feel free to submit them in the comments down below, as I will try to reply to all of them as soon as possible. And as promised, I will also give you actionable steps and resources at the end of this video so that you can start your YouTube automation business today. If you want to start your own channel, there is a YouTube starter pack linked in the description where you can start with YouTube automation for less than $100 a month.